Sharmila breaks down as Metropolitan Magistrate records a statement in Patiala House Court in Delhi. Government to construct a permanent market shade for vendors from Mao at Dinku Road. And first International Bamboo Conference cum workshop will be held at Oriental College from October 22 to 26. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Prime Time News. I am Butchi Manabam with the top stories. Irom Sharmila Chanu was produced today in the Court of Metropolitan Magistrate Patiala House, Akash Jain in New Delhi. Her statement was recorded around 11:30 am. According to sources in Delhi, Sharmila wanted to explain her struggle to the magistrate, but the magistrate wanted to confine her only to relevant questions. She was asked to explain herself in a press conference. An emotionally charged Sharmila wept in the court. Senior advocate V.K. Ori, advocates Devya Sundarajan and Kezosano Kiki assisting her persuaded help her in recording the statement. Sharmila told the magistrate that she was picked up by police on the night of October 6, 2006 because the government was concerned that national and international media had started taking interest in her struggle. She admitted that she denied medical attention and clarified that she did not need it as her health was fine at that point of time. She also said she was demanding repeal of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act in Manipur. She stated the people of Manipur have suffered and hundreds of women have been raped under the act. The hearing will be held tomorrow and one defense witness will be examined. A bench consisting of Justice Madan B. Lokur and Justice U.U. Lalit of the Supreme Court yesterday heard the case of Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association Manipur IFAM. The amicus curiae Maneka Guraswamy suggested the apex court to constitute a special investigation team comprising senior police officers from non-Manipur cadre, and the SIT may be guided by the principles laid down by the Supreme Court in Bharati Tamang case of 2013. She suggested institution of fast-track court and appointment of special public prosecutors. The amicus curiae also suggested the trial may be conducted outside Manipur to ensure safety of both the victims and the alleged perpetrators. The next hearing will be held on October 28 and 29. A permanent market shade for Mao vendors will soon be constructed by the government at Dinku Road near Apex Godown. PDA Chairman T. Mangi Babu told the news persons on the sidelines during the shifting of temporary market shades for the vendors from Mao at Lamphel, Sanakaitel today. Manipur government took the decision to provide a temporary marketplace at Lamphel, Sanakaitel to the vendors from Mao following the ban imposed on them by the people of Nagaland. At present, the vendors from Mao are facing inconveniences due to non-availability of a permanent marketplace, and they are selling fruits, vegetables and other products from Mao at roadsides at Chungmairong, Khuyatong and Tera Bazaar merchandise. Timangi Babu expressed the hope that the initiative of the state government will bring the people of the hills and valley closer.
Maugdagi lakpiriba isin long mayam jingse khoina hana expect obudagi di hoji am hena hengale aduna yamna amaga nuksinana mateng pangnarerga hojik sida kamai to khoi masi bazar sida khoi phaminagadagi haidana tobagi wakhalo ma lakpase masi khoi dadu ki matik se nongai Manipur leiriba chingam sung tamgi leiriba praja sing khoi mayam sing ase machi khoi gi misunderstanding mayam am leidana tobo mayam sing ase maduna khoi ngasi gi sidagi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ misunderstanding ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯅꯨ.
Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Government of Manipur will mount the first photography contest cum exhibition 2015 from October 28 to November 1. The exhibition cum contest to be held at MSRTC Complex, Moirangkom, will be on 4 different themes, namely Unity in Diversity, Culture, Religion and People of Manipur, Manipur Marches Ahead, Environment, Ecology and Ecotourism of Manipur, and candidates from the streets of Manipur. Director IPR Sumorja Salam told the news persons that the photography competition cum exhibition to be held by DIPR as an experiment aims at promoting photojournalism and at times showcase the natural beauty of the state through pictures. He said the competition is open to all and eminent photographers from other states will be the jury members. A 3-day photography workshop will also be held where experts will share their experience with the participants.
Photojournalism to promote photojournalism, which is becoming very popular nowadays. Hojiki matamda hogi photojournalism amadi photography se yam popular so oire aduga akogi Manipurda anoba inot amaga masi changchalei photography the thawayawa photojournalism the thawayawa mayam si makogi talent sing si uthokna bagi platform ama hana ifang phangdaba yam promising oiriba photographer photojournalist me angi talent sing do masida uthoknaba koina honajagani.
Clubs and to Mairap Loop have closed the road from YVO Wangkai Puja Lampak to Harikagok Makong and Guru Aribam Road, demanding that the authorities repair the road. The clubs are YVO Wangkai Puja Lampak, IPC Thangapat Mapal, Chaukat Khongthang Nupi Loop Thangapat Mapal, YDC Thangapat Mapal Maintenance Committee Thangapat Mapal, Purit Mayum Lairak Women's Welfare Association. The road is an important road connecting Imphal East and Imphal West following closure of Sanjentong Bridge. One of the protesters, Nagpam Ongbi Dhanada, told Impact News that following closure of Sanjentong Bridge, traffic has increased immensely on the road, which is lying in a deplorable state. She said many accidents have occurred on the road, forcing the clubs and Mairapai base of the area to close the road.
Asia na yauragadi yamna mawang darwena koi lambi thingjabani hawjing Manipur gi praja se aduki mati awaba gi sumasakne awaba mathak sida khoina mu lambi thingjamai se yamna mawang ta leita larami gi damakta yamna warba thabak amane yaragadi athuba matamda sembiragnaba aina mayam je khongjang ni changchamne.
Thangapat Maintenance Committee Chairman L. Chandramani Sharma told Impact News that they have been approaching the local MLA and authorities over the issue for the last 4-5 months. He said as authorities did not take any action, they decided to close the road to avoid untoward incidents.
Repeatedly authority that the MLA, honorable MLA, the Works Minister, hide in the law. Lamsi ki chatna bi emo sum barweli democratically sum high bi kem kana da aduna akoina mayam ki khudong cha da ba mayok na hanba mo ina ngasi akoina asigum main road asi thingjabane ma masi hogjibok da koi MLA la ame MLA na so hafet charak pa ma magi hogje Works Minister da consult ba District Minister da contact ba gi wari akoi ngai ri bani result se.
People living in Lumphel area have drawn the attention of the government to the innumerable difficulties faced by them due to the deplorable condition of Lumphel Langol Road. During a meeting with the media, they said the frequent use of the road by heavy trucks carrying construction material for NIT has worsened the condition of the road. They also said the heavy trucks caused damage to the water pipes, causing waterlogging on the road and damage to the houses standing on both sides of the road. They said a memorandum has been submitted to DC Imphal West and threatened to launch intense agitation if the government does not repair the road in near future.
Ana haiba sida nahan kanano mi ama la thika dara karino khangde adu la aga mari makhong samna daba mana Manipur thugai ba wa oina ngange sidai sida noi gi ching da tawbadu sai da tawba yabra wangang sangang jugo cha daba Manipur thugai ba wangang sangang oina ngange ba akoina adu wa na te ba akoina haiba di si lambi si semchi lambi si da sembiu noi gari du sakano haiba na te lambi si khitang yengbiu akoi aphaba ising thakwa phangdre si noi gari du na loi thugai da na 25 amta yadre lambi sida hana sembiu sineaba tigi lambi se karungba sembi daba taragadi akanba khongjang changsalasi yena lepnare.
Former Thangweban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kisan today extended help to injured Mangsa Tabam Premananda. Premananda is a reporter working at local dairy Naharolgi Thaudang. Premananda was injured in a road mishap last night around 11 p.m. near the Kangla Gate traffic island while returning from office towards his home in Luang Sangbam. Brahmananda was rushed to RIMS Hospital by personnel of Imphal West City Police. Komukcham Joykisan today visited the injured scribe at RIMS Emergency Service and extended financial help.
Team in the Satana, my mom like that bricks, machine and hang nine, Brahmananda, so missing the missing Sina, Makogi to Lopsik, and picture a soup. Akogi Nasanji, Manipugi, Nasanji, sharp to one hand at Rakali, Akogi Jati, Chapalan Manan Rakale, now, Masida, one of us say, must appreciate. I would the Madam like day, putting on a suit, Akogi Masteda, Commission she fighting along what happened to Tamaga, Akogi Ladybug, Manipuji, Chapapagi, and Vida, Jingle, and fighting Maru City, Akogi journalism, senior to go, Commission the low but dancing, late.
Coalition for Indigenous Rights campaign Circa Manipur held discussions on pre-merger political status as part of a month-long protest against merger agreement yesterday at Salantong Kurai Nandaibam Laikai in Imphal East, Takelekai Kwakithel Moirang Purel in Imphal West, Wangu Terakong, Ithai Kunau, Kumbi Bazar, Thangalawai, Moirang Bazar, Moirang Kunau, Kaibul Chingmai, Kairel Fabi and Nambol Laitonjam in Bishnupur district. Social activist Soraisa Manauton today helped 24 families in getting prepaid connection by bearing the initial amount for the connection at a function held at Ningombam Hairupok Chingya. As Manauton said, many residents who were resettled at Ningombam Hairupok Chingya after eviction due to expansion of airport are still unable to get prepaid connection. As a goodwill gesture, 24 families were helped in getting the prepaid connection in the first phase. Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalop Amkil condoled the demise of Joy Nomaithem, former president of Old Manipur Farmers Association. Amkil, in a press note, said his death is a great loss for the state. Irepak Inat Chanura Loina Silon, Ichal also condoled the death of Joy Nomaithem. A 33-year-old woman was found at Langol Ningtaulekai after she lost her way. The woman is identified as Wangkaimayum Sharmila from Kurai Chingamam Laikai. She was found yesterday evening around 6 by Nupi Loop of the area at Langol Ningtaulekai. Langol Ningtaulekai Nupi Loop has appealed to her family or relatives to contact their office. Now it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. The first International Bamboo Conference cum Workshop 2015 will be held from October 22 to 26 at Oriental College Conference Hall, Tagil. In view of the event, International Bamboo Conference cum Workshop convener Dr. T.H. Brajendro appealed to all civil organizations and groups not to call for band, blockade or general strike on the day. Addressing media persons at Oriental College, T.H. Brajendro said the event will not only give awareness on the uses of bamboo, but it will also give awareness on benefits of bamboo products in boosting economy. 20 experts from the country and abroad will participate in the event.
Mapung bana wonabada sahi umbuda marpu sangi wadi sahi ama anida mapung pai yantalaga masing heli una tawba khudingmak wa na tawba yai aduna wa yokhatsi wa gi kanabu lawsi tang kuni thoidagina kuntaruk pawba October thada tawgadoriba international conference kam workshop asida kanagumba organization singna makhan amatagi ban blockade na chingba tawbidana laipak ki khanbiraga asigumba
Caesar Eye Care Foundation, in association with Kongpal Students Welfare Club, organized a free eye camp at Kurai Thongam Lekai. A team of Caesar Eye Care Foundation, led by consultant ophthalmologist Dr. Shailendra, treated 167 patients, out of which 11 were taken to Caesar Eye Care Foundation for corrective surgery. A one-day legal awareness camp was held today at Kawa Lamdaibung Community Hall. The awareness program was jointly organized by TMT Memorial Trust Kawa Lamdaibung, Elangpam Tondonbe Singh Memorial Charitable Trust Hyanglam and Okho Trust Langmaidong with the help of District Legal Service Authority Imphal East. Legal experts opine that citizens need to know the laws that protect women and children against domestic violence. various forms of crime, including mental and emotional harassment on women. Residents of Kawa, Lamdaibung and adjoining areas took part in the camp.
Angang masajing da adagi women da crime satareba mayam punumaksik kara hiena safaba oigadra yamje ayam bana kogi 90% yogdana khangbo wasil lakodagi problem je sum thok oiram gadra haibase agi thajab galoinana program sigumbaje kachin koya yongna pangthok jarabadi maje thoiba problem mayamse thongmin nabasi khara punmin narabadi khara khangmin naba awabje kokodraina sinjaban.
Manipur Library Association Mala is organizing a 2-day national seminar on modernization of library in digital era on October 14 and 15 at State Central Library Complex. State Central Library Imphal is organizing the seminar under the sponsorship of Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata. Frequent disconnection of optical fiber during road expansion and theft of optical fiber have created huge problem in providing BSNL service to public. Speaking at the BSNL week held today at Telephone Bhavan, Babupara GMTD, BSNL Manipur, J. Lun Kim said installation of BSNL towers in 67 new sites is in full swing under the 7th phase. Maintaining that BSNL has made 3G network available on Imphal Ukhrul Road, Lun Kim said laying of synchronous transport modules STMs for allotted in June this year is completed along Imphal Dimapur Road under Power Grid Corporation of India Limited PGCIL. Laying of dual optical fiber cables for the remaining STMs will be completed within this year. Lun Kim, however, added that cooperation from the people is much needed to make the service of BSNL successful.
If we get these 16 TMs, which I think is going to come very soon, then it will be, this complaint will disappear, because then because we are trying to squeeze in all the essential services, all the broadband, etc., so many services into these 4 TMs, which is not sufficient. So if 16 TMs are there, I think the entire our traffic will be protected at least to the extent of 60–70%.
Mohammad Seras, an accused in the Mohammad Manos Khan murder case, was today produced before the Imphal East Chief Judicial Magistrate A. Natuneshwari. Mohammad Seras allegedly killed Mohammad Manos Khan of Khabaisoi Sabalikai on the 1st of this month. Locals of Khabaisoi Sabalikai today protested at CJM court gate demanding arrest of Chandani, sister-in-law of the deceased Manos Khan, so that she can be handed over to them. The locals also demanded authorities to punish all the culprits involved in the case.
Chandani si athubu matamda puthopiraga ikhoi myamna sinaba haiba mi si kana chena bro kam dobono haibichi makhoi mayam ji ikhoina police na wahang jawan tawraga ma si phagat piba khuding ma si ma makhoina phagat piraga ikhoi da pibiba ma punsi chu padam di piba jenda thamba si ikhoi pami parjai khoina.
National Revolutionary Front Manipur NRFM in a press release has clarified that the outfit has no connection with Santa Yumlembam, 28 years, son of late Yaima from Singzamai Bhagavati Lekai. Santa was apprehended by 45% rifles of 9th Sector Headquarter IGR South during an operation in Pangai. And sports. In a match in the ongoing league matches of the first W. Ibohol Singh ex-MLA and second led W. Pisak Singh Memorial Under-13 and Under-15 Boys 7 A-side football tournament played today. UYLA A Porompat Thawan Thaba beat SSYC Porompat 2-0. SCY Yumnam Kunau beat IMA B Iram Sifai 3-0. While Mangal FC Khabam beat GSC Yumnam Kunau 2-0 in the Under-13 boys category. In the Under-15 boys category, Gesodo B Hata Golapati beat SSC Sector 2-0. IMA A Iram Sifai trounced SSYC Porompat 7-0. The tournament is organized by Unemployed Youth Learners Association Porompat Thawan Thaba Imphal East. Manipur Police Sports Club thrashed Trukpu Nambo 3-0 in the 10th Manipur State League at Imphal Polo Ground. The 3 goals of Manipur Police Sport Club came from Golmai, Gaikhaningpu, Khem Bahadur and TH Kiran. The tournament is hosted by All Manipur Football Association AMFA. Aba Khetrigao and ESU Wankhai won the respective mates in the Maharaj Kumar Ghanendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League Tournament today. In the first match, Aba Khetrigao beat SAK Yumnam Khunau 2-0. Mohammad Siras netted the 2 goals for the winners. In another match, ESU Wankhai beat Citizens Club Soibam Laikai 3-1. Simre netted 2 goals while Chandrakumar scored 1 goal for the winners. 10 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Imphal East District Football Association at Khongman SWC ground. The match between SDC Samurao and WSC Ngairangbam in the Imphal West 3rd Division Football League Tournament was a goalless draw. In another match, MSC Malom beat PCC Mayakoi 2-0. The tournament is organized by Imphal West District Football Association at Malom Teraka ground. Pamyal Pachoy and YWC Langtabal today won the respective match in the ongoing Imphal West 3rd Division Football League Tournament. In the first league match, Pamyal Pachoy outclassed Sun Club Mongsangai by 2-1. NG Gaurahari and M. Sunil of Pamyal Pachoy scored 1 goal each. In the second league match, YWC Langtabal players Lansingam, H. Anand and S. Santikumar netted 1 goal each to humiliate UPC Pisum Oinam Lairak 3-0. The tournament is organized by Imphal West District Football Association at Malom Teraka ground. 12 teams are competing in the league tournament. SDC Samurao will take on WSC Ngairangbam while MSC Malom faces PCC Mayakoi. State-level inter-school volleyball tournament for under-14 and under-17 boys and girls organized by Youth Affairs and Sports Department kick-started today at Kumalampak Indoor Stadium. Jiribam and Churachandpur clashed in the opening match of the under-17 girls. The 15th Mr. Manipur Championship 2015 for Imphal East District will be held on October 27 at WAL United Youths Club, Wankhai Angom Laikai. The championship is jointly organized by All Manipur Bodybuilding and Fitness Association, Imphal East and WAL United Youths Club under the aegis of All Manipur Bodybuilding Association, Amba. The championship will be held in senior, junior and master categories and the winners will represent Imphal East in the 49th Mr. Manipur contest to be held on November 15. Speaking to media, WAL Youths United Club President R.K. Gokul said, form for the championship will be available at the club's office from tomorrow and appeals to all concerned to cooperate to make the championship a success.
All Manipur Bodybuilding and Fitness Association ki makhada Imphal East District Bodybuilding and Fitness Association amasung WAL United Youth Club ani kusumdaraga satliba tha sigi tang kun ga taret laiba popan numit miyam na mera hosung ba haina khangna ba dum numit aduda Imphal East District ki oina bodybuilding contest ma WAL United Youth Club ki lampak ta pangtuk sagani.
That's all we have for the time being, but before we wind this session of the bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Sharmila breaks down as Metropolitan Magistrate records a statement in Patiala House Court in Delhi. Government to construct a permanent market shade for vendors from Mao at Dinku Road. And first International Bamboo Conference cum workshop will be held at Oriental College from October 22 to 26.